Hello, this is VEVOR's mail organizer, document organizer. So it comes in tons of pieces, and we're gonna go ahead and place this together. Looks like they do have things numbered and lettered off, which is great. This actually looks pretty easy. You're gonna take number 1 on the bottom here, and then number 2 for the left, number 3 for the center, number 4 number 2. So 2 for the left, 3 for the center, 2 for the right. You're just going to line the brackets up like this. Place these down inside here. The directions are very simple, very easy. I don't think you guys going to have a problem doing this pretty quick. So we're now at the point where we're going to customize it a little bit to fit our needs. You guys can put the trays in however you want. So you can actually space the trays off. You don't have to go in every single hole slot here. So if you skip one, you'll have less trays, but you'll have a wider gap between the trays. Again, like I said, we're doing it a custom way. You guys can follow the directions 100%. The directions are extremely easy. For us, we're going to be adding less shelves, but there's going to be a gap that's wider in between them, so we can put bigger items instead of smaller items. And all you do is you take these pieces here, you place them inside equal on the other side, and then you put in your little tray. I call them trays, your little board pieces, and you're good to go. Okay, again, we did ours a little differently. Everyone can customize it however they want. We left out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boards. This gives us much more clearance on the bottom, and then it gets a little shorter gap distance, and then from top in here it's even shorter, but this gives us room for putting bigger books and items in here, medium size and smaller size papers. I think it's really nice. And then of course you have the top, which you can put stuff on. Overall, I do personally think this is really nice. I highly recommend it. Again, you can do it yourself, customize it however you want, however you see fit. But I think this is really nice, and it's very easy to put together.